How to find Facebook user ID. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook user ID. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Facebook app itself, let's first visit the App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android. Let's check if our Facebook is up to date. So let's just type in the search bar Facebook and tap on Facebook right here. And now if that says update, you need to tap on that so that you will have the latest features and the latest bug fixes within the app as well. If it says open, that means that your Facebook is currently up to date and you're good to go for the next steps. So let's just open Facebook right here, assuming that I am now done updating my Facebook application. And to find our Facebook user ID, we need to be on the menu page. So if you're from any other page, just click on this menu icon at the bottom right hand corner and click on settings and privacy over here. Click on the settings once again. And what we're going to do is to tap in this search icon at the top right corner and type in apps. So this option should pop up. Just click on apps and websites. And on this page, this should show the apps and websites you have connected to your Facebook account by either logging into them with Facebook or by connecting an account you have with them to your Facebook. So you should see the list of apps over here. And what we're going to do is to tap on a certain application or a website. And immediately you should see your Facebook user ID at the bottom part of the page. So this can be used if you contact them to get support or provide feedback. So you can just click on this copy icon so you can easily copy your user ID of your Facebook. So that is how you can basically find Facebook user ID. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.